Good Monday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for February 2nd, 2015. And we have our departing system here moving away from the area here, and we're going to have a cold front that's going to be dragged through the area this afternoon, and that's going to drop temperatures very, very quickly. We have flash freezes that will be taking place across the coverage area as this cold front moves its way through, and very windy conditions will follow. But I think it's going to be one of those deals where the front goes through and then the winds pick up, but the temperatures will already be dropping. You're not going to be too far above freezing to begin with. When this front comes through, they're going to drop very rapidly, and then the winds are going to pick up. So it will, any standing water or any anything that is unfrozen or had tried to melt a little bit, maybe any rain that fell, will instantly freeze as this front moves through here. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that, because obviously we're going to have some serious problems here with the roadways here for those that are unprepared. But this will move out of here, and then at least the precipitation will shut off. And our system goes up into the Gulf of Maine again and again. These areas here that got hit last week with some heavy snow, we're going to get heavy snow once again. So basically, just looking at for the heavy snow in our area, pretty much across the Poconos, up into northern New Jersey here, but everywhere else just has some moderate stuff down to the Lehigh Valley, and then as you get down into southeastern PA and south central PA, there was significantly less in terms of snow accumulation before it went over to ice last night and rain. Let's go over to the high-res future simulated radar from the NAM, just to give you an idea here. And this is starting actually early Monday. This is actually at 1 a.m. Move this up a little bit so we can see this here. This is 1 a.m. here on Monday, but this is all snow here and some heavy snow here. And then behind it is the freezing rain and sleet and rain further south. Now, this did hold on pretty well last night. As we get into the NAM actually had this changing over quicker than it actually did, so we did get into some heavier snows further south. Actually had an observation here near Philadelphia here where it was in fact heavy snow here for a little while before it changed over. So did have some little surprises there, but not really too much in the way of accumulation until you got further north. So this will move out of here. This is looking at 8 o'clock in the morning, just some residual stuff here over northeastern PA, some sleet, freezing rain, some snow, and then that moves out of here by the late morning hours, and then you can see the front's going to come through here. Pretty much a dry front. Might be a snow shower with that as it comes through here, but the big deal is going to be the crashing temperatures, and this is going to take place mid to late afternoon. We're probably mid-afternoon across most of the area here. I'd say anywhere from 2 to about 5 p.m. and temperatures are going to drop very, very rapidly. Where we have temperatures dropping 10, 12 degrees in 1 hour's time when the front moves through, and then the winds will kick up. Winds will be gusting out of the northwest 15 to 25 miles an hour, with gusts up to 40 miles per hour, creating wind chills that are well below zero. So do be aware of that if you're going to be outside today and again tonight. I do think it's going to be one of those deals where after midnight it does subside enough that the wind chills will at least be tolerable, but you will still have temperatures in the single digits for overnight lows. So we get the high pressure moving in here for Tuesday. We have mostly sunny skies. And then we're going to have mostly cloudy skies on Wednesday, and this is going to be ahead of the next frontal boundary. Because this is a cold front moving through, the system is going to move up to our north here as an area low pressure. Going to move up to the north here. The cold front's actually situated back here with this, and because the cold front's sitting here, you have southwesterly winds that are going to develop ahead of this front. It's going to actually warm us up a little bit. Might even get above freezing on Wednesday ahead of this frontal boundary, but then Wednesday night and Thursday, you're going to have this come through. Could touch up a few snow showers. That would be in the overnight hours Wednesday night into very early Thursday morning, and then high pressure is going to move in behind this for both Friday and or the first part of the weekend, it looks like. So we'll be on the clear side for both those days, both Friday and Saturday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for February 2nd, 2015. Have a great Monday.